Hello everyone. So today we'll be discussing about what is the legal status of idols. Okay, legal status of idol. So for your knowledge, an idol, it is basically considered as a juristic person. Okay, who is it as? It is considered as a juristic person. So in juristic person, if you try to understand in a very simplified manner, yes, idol can basically hold property. What do? They can basically hold a property. Along with it, you're also supposed to know that it can be treated as a minor. So an idol can be treated as minor and the pujari can be considered as a guardian. Alright, so two things now we discussed. First one, idol is a juristic person. As such, it can hold a property. Along with it, an idol can be like a minor, considered like a minor, and the guardian who takes care of that particular idol can be like a pujari. Okay, so this is the major difference between a idol and its major components regarding it. So guys, when I was just going through this TP Act, Transfer of Property Act, it is also somewhere mentioned that the basic essence of an idol, properties cannot be transferred in that way of an idol, but because of certain kind of factors, okay, which you need to keep in the mind. Because if you are providing a property towards an idol, then how will that property be transferred to the next generation? Because obviously there cannot be any kind of continuation on that basis, right? But in such situations, a trust can be created. A trust can take care of the maintenance of that idol and the property. As such, there can be a proper amount of justification for its overall well-being. So as part of it, now let's discuss two kind of important case laws in terms of legal status of idols. So in the first case, that is about Paramta Nath Mullik versus the Pradyamunma Kumar Mullik. So in this case, it was the court upheld that the idol is a legal person. See, observe over here. The court has already said that an idol is a legal person and has a right to have its own location duly respected. So which place an idol is there, that place should be duly respected, and a disinterested next friend can represent it, which the court will appoint. So disinterested next friend, in such basis, the overall authority, sometimes the court can also, or the government can also basically appoint one particular body for it. Now, in the second case, that is about Yogendra Nath Nasakar versus the Commissioner of Income Tax. There, Supreme Court held that if an idol can hold the property, it must also pay taxes. That was compulsory. Got it? So it is very important that if an idol can obviously hold a property, then it must pay the taxes. At least the second case law, if you're able to remember, that would be the best important thing which you need to keep in the mind. So guys, in the next page, I'll just provide a small nutshell of the notes which I've written in terms of the legal status of idols.